Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple homemade toothpaste. So I was just at my dentist last week and he just said that my teeth were in great condition. And I've been using homemade toothpaste for over 5 months now. So that to me was a good sign that the toothpaste is doing its job and it's waste free. So I've just gotten the double boiler ready. So the double boiler is just boiling hot water in a pot and a bowl placed inside that, sitting on the hot water. So for the ingredients today, I'm using 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I was able to get this in my local Aldi store. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and to counteract the very salty taste of baking soda, I'm going to use 6 teaspoons of xylitol. I've tried it with less xylitol, and although I have gotten used to it, I would say it's not so enjoyable when you're just tasting the baking soda. I'm going to put a tiny little amount of Vitamin E oil, good for the gums, and I'm going to flavour the toothpaste with Fennel Oil, which is one of my preferred toothpaste flavours. A lot of people go with peppermint, but I'm happy with the fennel taste. At this point I've taken it off the double boiler, and as you can see the liquid is, all the mixture is liquefied. I'm stirring it at this point to make sure that the xylitol is dissolving nicely in with the rest of the liquid mixture, and that way there's an even distribution of the xylitol throughout the mixture. So next I'm going to pour it into its container, and once I've done that I'm going to place it in the fridge so that it can cool and solidify, and I'll check on it from time to time to stir it. So that's pretty much it. It's gone almost completely solid, and I did mix in all the ingredients really well. Just had a little taste, and there is an even distribution of all of the ingredients, even at the top, so I'm happy about that. And there it is. It's my slightly adjusted homemade toothpaste.